Hello there, welcome to my bedroom and welcome back to another episode of Para Vlogs. Today we'll be unboxing my new camera. Okay, today we won't only be unboxing my new camera, but we'll also be unboxing some other items I bought together with the camera. And yeah, I bought it under promotion, don't worry. So I bought a few items lah, as usual. Camera, two mics, SD card, lens, SD card holder, an extra stand, and the camera bag itself, all original. Plus I got two bags for free. So first up we'll be unboxing is my new camera. Let's see. As usual, warranty, user manual. Okay, that's good. Now let's see what's inside. I just bought it yesterday. I asked him to keep everything in the box so that I can do an unboxing video. He understood. Nice guy. So first up, we'll always have the battery. Next, the camera itself, the camera's body. Let that be aside. The camera's lens. I'll take out the box later. Oh yeah, I take out already. Okay, the camera's lens. The charger. What is this? Oh, and the camera strap. I don't need that. Anything in the box? Okay, since I'm a camera guy, I know quite a lot of things, but not a lot of things. I know quite a lot of things related to cameras. So of course I know how to fix a camera. So let's fix it and let's test it out. So we'll be taking out the body first. Oh, it's so tight. Oh yeah. That's not important. This is. Okay, leave that aside. Oh yeah. Nice. This is the Canon EOS M50. Yeah. Okay, the body's out. Now let's take out the lens. Oh. Ah, that is nice. Let me focus. No. Yes, it's a nice lens. What does it say? 0.25 m. Okay, that's nice. Let's fix it. Okay, I fixed it. The camera looks extremely good. So now the only thing is to put in the battery. That's the right way, I think. Why is it so hard? Ah, better. Okay, now we need the SD card, which is supposed to go in right here in this slot. Okay, so the second thing I bought was a memory card and SIM card storage case. Here's what I asked. And it's Puluz brand. What, Puluz? Yeah. Yes, Puluz. It's what's free? It's water resistant, anti-shock, dust proof, fireproof. That's nice. Let's check it out. We don't need this. We don't need this. Yes, okay. So yesterday I bought this already, and I took it out. I I inserted all the memory card inside it. Yes, took it out. Okay. Okay, now we got everything. This is my new SD card. It costs 169 ringgit, I think. Yes, this is all my other SD card, and I don't know what is this for. What is this for? Take out the SD card. Before that, let's check whether it's shockproof or not, because I'm scared that my SD card will break when it's inside the box. Yep, nothing happened. Okay, so let's insert the SD card. Okay, like this. Enter. What it says? Push. Oh, you need to extend the lens. Okay. Take out the cap. Yes, it's working. This is my new camera. Yes, I got the lens over here, the newly bought lens. Oh, this is so dope. Before we test the camera, let's see what have we done yet. We unboxed the camera, we unboxed the storage case. I still got the mic, the other mic, some other things left. Yeah. So as you guys see here, this is the main mic of the camera. The camera you're all seeing now, that I'm using now, I can't attach this mic because it doesn't have a mic adapter. So I'm going to use this for the new camera, which is this Canon. Okay, mic, let's fix it. Enter. So now it'll be more clear when I talk with the Canon, and I can see myself. It has a flip screen. This inside. This is in a bag. Okay, so it comes with the cotton and the clip. Oh, it's the most important thing. Everything, this is the most important thing. Silica gel, or not your things will get spoiled. The mic itself. Okay, is that all? Oh no. Oh yes, this is another bigger adapter, I think so. This is the original mic. And now we got the most unwanted plastic stand of all time. Supposed to get a Gorilla Pod. Gorilla Pod is the exact type of stand, but it's much more quality. I could break this easily, I think so, but at least it'll be useful for uneven surfaces. We got the strap, we got the charger, and yeah, that's it. Okay, so what you're seeing right now is the new Canon EOS M50. Yeah, M50, yes, correct. So okay, this is the best part. So later I might get a few shots of pictures or maybe time lapse, I guess so, and I'll edit it into the camera. How can I edit it into the camera? Edit it into the video. Yes, that is quite clear. I hope you can you hear me? Hello? I hope you can hear me. So now I'm not using the mic. Just listen how the sound without the mic. Now I'm using the mic together and listen how the sound is. So I listened to both the sound clips I said just now. So it seems that using the mic and using the original Canon EOS M50's built-in mic, it almost sounds the same, but it has the mic that I'm using has noise reduction. It has many things. The quality of the picture I'm taking right now is 4K, which is the highest and is the best, and also there's a Digix 7, I think Digix 7 or 8. Okay, so overall I think I've spent like 3,000 to 3,700 worth of items just for this new set of vlogging things. I hope this is a good choice because I'm going to continue vlogging after this. I wanted to buy the Canon G7X Mark II, which many people say was good. It was smaller, it's a better vlogging camera, but I think this is better because it supports 4K, it is touchscreen, and yeah, it has many good qualities with it. First, let's clear up this mess. I won't have to use this anymore. That's good. Trash, cash. So you all can see how clear is it right now. It's much more better than the Nikon camera, I guess, than the camera I've been using last time. So before I end this vlog, I will show you some clips or maybe some pictures that I take with this camera. So that's all for today's vlog. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, comment down below, and hit me up back. Bye!